We are developing an injectable biomaterial for the strengthening of osteoporotic hips.
At KSID, we provide cloud-based traceability solution to help brands fight counterfeiting, fight grey market, but also to create a more transparent and direct connection with the consumer.
At Volumina Medical, we develop implants enabling to regenerate the human body. And our first target is breast reconstruction after cancer.
Tempora is a membrane company. We, at the moment, focus on creating sustainable membranes that help the outdoor industry, outdoor people to wear clothing that protects them from the rain, is waterproof, and still allows their body to breathe, is breathable.
We are developing at-home self-testing kits for common sexually transmitted diseases such as chlamydia, gonorrhea, mycoplasma, and trichomoniasis.
So what we at Lumiphase do is small semiconductor chips that are put into transceivers. And the transceiver is an element that is used to connect our world. It's millions of times used in data centers and around the world to convert electrical and optical signals. And we at Lumiphase make these chips more efficient and better than anything else available today.
LED City is developing a decentralized lighting system to reduce the energy consumption of buildings.
We are developing mitochondria as a therapeutic treatment modality. So we're using the powerhouses of the cell to treat damages arising from ischemia-reperfusion injury, which is a medical condition that comes up in conjunction with heart attacks, organ transplantation, or long surgical procedures.
COA is developing compact thermal energy storage to boost renewables in buildings.
In Ege Bioscience, we develop innovative technologies to realize the full potential of microorganisms for biological testing. This is extremely important today because animal testing is still the standard, and the amount of substances to be tested for safety and efficacy is simply too massive to be handled. So microorganisms, we think, is really the solution.
We cultivate meat from animal stem cells, so it's real meat and it's not plant-based. And we just do what the animal does, just outside of the body of the animal.
So this company is somehow the result of all my studies. I come from a physics, engineering and nanotechnology background, and I really wanted to make an impact and apply this type of knowledge to the biomedical field. So I applied for a PhD at EPFL, and that's where we started developing with Laurent, co-founder of Nagi, today this type of technology. So the inspiration came really from the question, how can we maximize the impact of what we developed? And the answer was to make it as spread and used as possible through commercialization in the world.
What inspired me was the work that I did when I was working as a medical doctor. I was very involved in public health, and I was part of a piece of research that basically looked at the diagnostic accuracy of rapid tests for chlamydia, gonorrhea, and so forth. And the conclusion was that there wasn't any good test. And so for me, I was really inspired to find a solution to a problem which is affecting so many women and men around the world.
It was a mix between a little bit frustration that I couldn't find this kind of product in the supermarket shelves, and also the sense of that I can actually do this with my previous business experience. Yeah, I've been working in that research field for more than 5 years, and we have developed really a lot of technology and accumulated a lot of know-how, and I think we have to bring that to the market. And that's what triggered us to found the company and to do it.
I met the primary inventor in 2017 through a common contact of ours. And what really compelled me to start Selvi was the opportunity associated with the technology. It's a true platform that can emerge as a new category of medicines. And having the opportunity to partake in such an effort was exciting to me, and that's why I'm here today.
I think there are several reasons. One is that I really like to be my own boss and to do what I think needs to be done. The next part is that I have osteoporosis in my family and osteoporotic fractures, so I have this big push to bring new solutions to the market, because I see that what is on the market already now is not sufficient. And I think the third part is just like curiosity, just searching for challenges.
The inspiration for Lumiphase was that I could see that in the industry of optical communication, there was a need for a new solution to make communication more efficient. And we have been developing such a solution at IBM, and for me it was key to get this solution out to the market and actually to make a difference.
I think to have a meaningful project and to help society.
I started the company based on 7 years of research at ETH Zurich, which was at the beginning started by the detox campaign of Greenpeace, which put the harmful chemicals that are used in this industry on the forefront. And so we worked on it in the lab to find a solution to this issue.
What inspired me to start Volumina Medical, it was really a meeting with one breast cancer survivor. Her name is Isabelle. She was explaining me her journey through cancer, and also she was explaining me that even if she survived breast cancer, she was not feeling herself anymore because a part of her breast was removed to treat the cancer. And she was also explaining me that available techniques do not enable to recover a shape, a breast shape, which is durable. So then when I realized that there was this high unmet need affecting 2.1 million patients every year, we decided to do something and to, go back to the lab and develop a product. And now we are there, we made it.
Well, I worked in the field of packaging, I worked in the field of anti-counterfeiting, and I saw an opportunity and I saw there were things to be improved, and basically I connected the dots of my two previous backgrounds, and this is how I started Chaos ID.